2002 yılında Türkiye'de faaliyete geçen Gefco Taşımacılık ve Lojistik Anonim Şirketi, Avrupa'nın en büyük 10 taşımacılık ve lojistik şirketlerinden biri olan Gefco grubun şirketidir. İstanbul, Bursa, İzmir, İzmit ve Ankara'da ofis ve tesisleri bulunan Gefco Taşımacılık ve Lojistik Anonim Şirketi, Gefco grubun dünya çapındaki deneyim ve gücünü yerel uzmanlıklarla birleştirerek otomotivden sağlık ve kişisel bakım ürünleri sektörüne, elektronikten tekstile kadar birçok sektörde taşımacılık ve entegre lojistik hizmetleri sunuyor. Gefco, dünyanın yanı sıra Türkiye'de 6 temel uzmanlık alanı olan araç dağıtım, karayolu taşımacılığı, deniz hava yolu taşımacılığı, entegre lojistik hizmetleri, Gefbox sistemi, gümrük ve vergi müşavirliği hizmetleriyle sizlere global ve yenilikçi çözümler sunuyor.
My name is Fulvio Villa. I was born in Milano in 1968. After I completed my study in business administration in Vienna, I started an international career in logistics, which led me to my actual position at Gefco Turkey. Gefco Turkey started its activities in Turkey in 2002, and it belongs to the international Gefco logistic group, which is present in 27 countries, and which gets 60 years old this year. As Gefco Turkey, basically, we cover all logistic activities, meaning automotive logistic, international transportation, national distribution, overseas, air freight, and warehousing. We are today present in Turkey in 5 cities, and we plan a further expansion in the next years.
Uluslararası arenada hizmetlerine devam eden Gefco Lojistik, dünya çapında 100'den fazla ülkeye ulaşıyor.
We give services in the world. We are present in more than 100 countries via our partners or via our international network. Gefco, as you know, is present in most of these countries with its own subsidiaries. And thanks to this network, we can give services in all our sections all over the world.
Gefco, Türkiye'nin İzmit'te bulunan araç lojistik merkezi Avrupa standartlarında hizmet veriyor ve taşımacılığın her alanında ihtiyaçlarınıza çözüm ortağı oluyor.
You know, we are very proud of our compound in Izmit, in Köseköy, because it corresponds at 100% to our international standards. Meaning that you can find in Izmit all the services that you can find in any of our compounds in Europe. So we are completely in the European standards there. We have the possibility there to store more than 7,000 cars at once, and we can give PDI services. PDI means pre-delivery inspection services to more than 400 cars per day. It is a center which is divided into bonded and non-bonded area, so you can transit your cars or you can store them waiting for the final importation in Turkey. We have also continuous connections with all the ports in the region, so we can transport from and to the port easily, and or we distribute also all the cars out of our Izmit compound, or we send them to other countries. So, for example, for the local production. The latest improvement that we are doing right now in Izmit is the so-called PPO, which is post-production operations. That is everything that you can put on a car after you have brought it to the storing area. For example, you want to add to a car park sensors, we add them. You want to add roof bars, we add them. Or even if you want to make a special mini series, we can do it directly in our Izmit compound.
Teknolojiyi yakından takip eden Gefco Lojistik, yüksek kalite standartlarında hizmet vererek sektöründe rekabetçi bir konumda bulunmaktadır.
We do everything with a very high quality standard, meaning that quality is for us extremely important, and we have continuous quality improvements. And we use all the modern systems in order to improve and to keep the quality at a certain level. The most important equation today is high competitiveness, with high quality.
Gefco Lojistik, Türkiye yatırımları sayesinde lojistik alanında Orta Doğu'da lider bir konuma yükselmiştir.
When we started our investment in Turkey, this was certainly one of our aims. And today we have in the scope of Gefco Turkey also the development of Middle East countries and of the Middle East out of Turkey.
Türkiye'nin geniş pazar ağı her sektörde olduğu gibi lojistik sektöründe de yüksek rekabetin yaşandığı zorlu bir ekonomik yapının oluşmasına sebep oluyor.
It is an absolutely very difficult sector, and Turkey especially is a high competitive market, meaning that if you find the logistic solution, it is very difficult to keep it for a very long time, because the client is always searching for ameliorations, better service, better price. In fact, this is the hardest equation to be solved today, which is keeping high competitiveness and high quality at the same time.
Gefco Türkiye Genel Müdürü Fulvio Villa, uluslararası taşımacılıkta Türkiye'de yaşadıkları sıkıntıları dile getirdi.
The biggest issue that we face in Turkey today is missing infrastructure globally. Basically, we are happy about what the government is doing and about the program going on in Turkey at the moment. But there are more things that need to be done in terms of ports, roads. That is the main issue that Turkey faces today.
Gefco Lojistik attığı kararlı ve ileri görüşlü adımlar ve çalışanlarının özverisi sayesinde yaşanan global krizden minimum düzeyde etkilenmiştir.
In fact, what we have faced during the crisis, the biggest effect of the crisis was the total missing of visibility, meaning that we had to set up a system able to react immediately to the different changes that we were facing. That means that our company had to react very fast. We could do that thanks to different plans that we put in reality and thanks to the help of our employees all along the company. That allowed us to reduce just a bit our turnover, meaning we were affected by around 4.5%, but to have a very good result in terms of operational margins.
Gefco Lojistik Türkiye Genel Müdürü Fulvio Villa, Türkiye ve Orta Doğu'ya yönelik yapacakları yeni yatırımlar ve hedefleri hakkında geniş bilgi verdi.
Well, as I told before, I mean, for us, Turkey is extremely important in terms of development towards new countries and especially towards the Middle East. That means that we are going and we are using today Gefco in order to develop our activities toward the Middle East. How do we plan to do that? First of all, we are opening very soon our next agency in Mersin in order to accelerate our flows to the Middle East. We plan to give further services and in the automotive industry also in the Middle East, which is a very important market today. So generally, Gefco Turkey has got this role, and it is within our scope to increase the business with the Middle East countries. Therefore, we have just opened, for example, also our Ankara warehouse. Out of the Ankara warehouse, we plan to serve more from the proximity all the Anatolian region. This is our plans at the moment.